Maggie, come on. There we go. Come on, puppies, out the door. Yeah. Go out the door. Come on, Maggie. Maggie, come here. Come on. Go out and get some good video of this tree. Where it's gone. Goes way up on the house. Walk over here, probably get a better shot. Up here, yeah, it's running. Oh yeah, that was destined to come down. Look at all that rot. Yeah, that's pretty rotted. Yeah, that's pretty bad. No rust. We lost this tree too. That's a smaller one. Not much light here yet this morning. As you can see, we live on the north side. It's close to 8:30 or so. Still, there's no light. Hey, Maggie. Hey, Maggie. What are we doing? What are we doing? Our little dog, Maggie. Cute little girl. All she wants to do is run and play. And eat biscuits. Find a saw here. Let's take a short walk, Maggie. Whoa, what's it doing here? Tested this here gimbal I just got from Walmart for 39 bucks or 30 whatever the hell bucks. It was a leftover end of the year clearance. Woofy woof woof. Why isn't it supposed to be turning to the right? Oh, I had it turning too far the wrong way. What do we have here? Hello, Bob. What are you doing, Mr. Bob? Do you not want to be on camera, Bobby? Huh? No. No, don't video me. Please don't video me. Oh, no, no, no. I don't want to be on camera. No. Huh, Bob? Shush. You shush. You shush, 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 Bob. Believe that dog there bred with that tiny little dog and made puppies. He and Maggie had a litter of puppies. Well, let me head back over to the house. People might be calling any minute to come and look at the tree over and tell us how much they want to cut it down and cut it up. What are you doing, Bob? Oh, hello, Tater. This is Tater. Tater is the white doggy. Yeah, that's Tater. That's Bob. Should walk the same loop one more time with just holding the camera and see how obnoxious it is. I remember early days when they first invented these. Basically, these are not motorized gimbals, but spring-loaded gimbals. It does not. Somebody. Oops, wrong way. Somebody smashed into my. I don't know if you can see that. Smashed into her door in the parking lot. Just left. People are all so nice. I gotta clean this porch up. Come on. Make sure the front door's closed. Did I close it? Yeah. Anywho, I was just looking at the tree. Yep. Better go let the dog in. Mom's greenhouse here. Got a couple flowers. Really don't like where that joystick switch is. Flowers. More flowers. Most of them, they don't bloom that often. There's some over there. Oh, there's some up here. A couple others are in the house. And back around where we started. And the dirty. Gotta get out here and clean this. Didn't clean it too long ago, but it don't take long to get it all dirty. And okay, let's see if I get alright. I guess I'm there. How you doing? Well, this is the end of the video. And there's not much to see in it, is there?